Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today we dive into the world of sports watches with a model that redefines the standards of the mid-range, the Garmin Forerunner 255. This smartwatch has been designed to meet the expectations of runners, triathletes, and athletes in search of precision and versatility. With features inspired by high-end models and a competitive price, the Forerunner 255 is a natural choice for those looking for comprehensive tracking of their workouts and health. Offered in a standard version and a music version, it adapts to all needs, whether you're a casual runner or a seasoned athlete. If you want to know more, the link is available in the description. Feel free to click on that link. Every click and purchase supports the channel. In terms of design, the Garmin Forerunner 255 stays true to the brand's sporty and functional approach. The watch is available in two sizes, a 46mm model for those who prefer a larger screen, and a compact 41mm version called the Forerunner 255S, which is aimed at slimmer wrists. This size choice allows it to accommodate a wide range of users while ensuring a comfortable fit, even during the longest sessions. The case is made of reinforced polymer, giving it strength and lightness. Weighing only 49g for the standard version and 39g for the S version, the watch quickly becomes unnoticeable on the wrist, even after several hours. The soft silicone strap fits perfectly and minimizes irritation, even during intense sweating or prolonged exposure to water. The screen, although not touchscreen, uses transflective technology that ensures optimal readability in direct sunlight. This choice is perfectly suited for athletes who prioritize functionality and readability, especially during outdoor activities. The waterproofing is guaranteed up to 50 meters, allowing for swimming, showering, or running in the rain without any worries. However, high-pressure water activities like diving or surfing are not recommended. The Forerunner 255 incorporates advanced features that were once reserved for high-end models. Among these features is a dual-frequency multi-GNSS GPS, a technology that significantly improves accuracy even in complex environments like urban areas with tall buildings or wooded trails. This GPS ensures reliable tracking of your routes and performance whether you're running, swimming, or cycling. Health tracking is also very comprehensive thanks to a next-generation optical heart rate monitor that continuously tracks your heart rate and an SpO2 sensor that measures the oxygenation of your blood. This data, combined with Garmin tools like Body Battery, provides a clear view of your energy and recovery levels throughout the day. The battery life of the Forerunner 255 is also impressive. In smartwatch mode, it can last up to 14 days, while in GPS mode, it offers up to 30 hours of use. This endurance places it among the best in its category. For music lovers, Garmin also offers a music version. This variant has 4 GB of storage capable of holding up to 500 songs. It allows you to connect Bluetooth headphones and play favorite playlists through platforms like Spotify, Deezer, Amazon Music, an ideal feature for those who want to train without their phone while staying motivated with their favorite music. The Forerunner 255 shines with its ability to adapt to many sports and activities. Whether you're a runner, triathlete, swimmer, or yoga enthusiast, it offers various activity profiles, each with customized settings and data. During a run, for example, you can display information such as pace, cadence, elevation, or even heart rate in real time. For triathletes, a multisport mode allows you to easily switch between swimming, cycling, and running without handling the watch. One of the standout features is the morning report. Every morning, the watch provides you with a summary of your night, an overview of your recovery, and training suggestions tailored to your fitness level. This analysis helps you better plan your sessions and avoid unnecessary efforts on days when you're not at your best. Garmin Connect, the companion app, centralizes all your data and offers a clear interface to analyze your performance, schedule your workouts, and track your long-term progress. Even though the watch screen isn't touchscreen, the 5 physical buttons ensure smooth and quick navigation, even during intense activity or in bad weather. This simplicity and reliability make it a tool that is highly valued and trusted by athletes. Compared to its predecessors like the Forerunner 245, the 255 represents a significant improvement. It incorporates features from high-end models like the Fenix 7 while maintaining an affordable price. Its GPS accuracy is a major asset, especially thanks to the dual-frequency multi-GNSS technology, which is rarely available in this price range. Against the competition, the Forerunner 255 also stands out for its advanced analysis tools, such as heart rate variability tracking and training suggestions based on your performance and recovery. The music version adds an extra dimension for playlist lovers, but remains identical to the standard version in all other aspects. This allows each user to choose the version that best suits their needs, without compromising on performance. In summary, the Garmin Forerunner 255 is a versatile smartwatch aimed at both runners and triathletes or multisport athletes. Its GPS accuracy, analysis tools, and great battery life make it an ideal choice for tracking your performance and improving your training. The music version and its internal storage for music is an interesting option for those who want to train without their phone while enjoying their favorite tracks. With the 255, Garmin offers a product that perfectly combines technology, reliability, and ease of use. If you're looking for a smartwatch that can meet all your sports needs, this watch deserves your full attention. Find more info via the link in the description. Just a reminder, every click and purchase supports the channel, and I thank you for that. Please leave a comment to share your thoughts, like if the video was helpful, and of course, subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. Thank you, see you soon, ciao ciao.